Today I would like to show you this Vedette Transistor ATO-MAT wall clock. It was made in France, although it uses a Japanese movement made by the Rhythm Clock Company. And it also has bim bam striking on 2 chime rods. I bought this clock in February this year, and it wasn't working when I got it because it had a problem with a tiny tension spring that I'll show later. So I fixed it myself and the clock ran for about 2 months, then it broke again. I fixed it this time too, and it ran for a couple weeks, then it broke for the 3rd time, and I couldn't fix it. So I took it to the local clock shop and they fixed it for me. And now I'm actually quite happy because this is one of my favorite clocks. Just below the dial there's a switch that allows you to turn off the striking. And it's quite a neat feature because I use it every night as this clock stays permanently in my room. To set the time on this clock you need to pull this small button underneath the case and you turn it in which direction you like. So you don't have to get the clock off the wall to set the time. On the back of the clock you have this large plastic door. And here's the Japanese ATO-MAT movement. It uses a D-size battery. And as you might see on the pink escape wheel, there's a small wire that puts a tiny bit of pressure on it. And that little blade spring caused me some unslept nights. This is the striking part. And right there are the 2 contacts that trigger the striking. Also on the back of the door there are some repair marks, and this is the oldest one from 1979. And there's also this one from 1990. School starts on Monday over here, so I will most likely post once or twice a week. And yeah, till the release of my next video, give this a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and see ya next time.